Donald Trump's tariffs and his removal of the de minimis rule will make things much more expensive. The de minimis rule says any company or even friend or family member who lives overseas and is mailing something here to the United States, if they're mailing something that is under $800, it doesn't get hit with tariffs. This is really done to speed up efficiency and normalize trade back and forth. Now look, this could always just be another example of Trump always chickens out, where he says he's going to do it and then he does it for 2 days, or he doesn't do it at all and then he changes his mind and claims victory over something. But in the event that this sticks, what are some investments you can make in your investment portfolio that can kind of remove you a little bit from all of this trade and tariff drama? I'm going to show you. By the way, I have a new policy here, which is if you are not following me, I'm not going to respond to your question or comment or DM. It's just one little way I try to set some boundaries, because a lot of people like to take a lot of advantage. Costco is the first one on the list. They do a lot of things like ordering in extremely high volume or redesigning packaging. And only 25% of the items that Costco sells come from overseas. But one share is going to cost you almost $1,000. Another one on the list is Home Depot. Even though this company did support Donald Trump, they have said that over half of the stuff that they sell in their stores is domestically produced. Now, this doesn't mean that this stuff that is produced in America is made by materials that come from America as well. In other words, some of the materials to make the things probably are imported, which could, in a roundabout way, still affect pricing. Home Depot also said in August, which is the month that we are currently in, that prices will likely increase due to higher tariffs on certain imported goods, though they are not expected to be broad-based. And when we're thinking about tariffs, one question to ask is, what are some companies that are based in the United States that focus exclusively on United States customers? I'm thinking about utilities, for example, like AEP, American Electric, which is $111 per share and pays a pretty nice 3.33% dividend. Or companies like the Southern Company, which is up 7.5% and pays a 3.21% dividend. Think about essential companies like Procter & Gamble. We need the products that they sell. Whether we like the company or not, we probably use a lot of their products. And even though Procter & Gamble is down around 8%, they also pay a pretty nice dividend. Or Johnson & Johnson, which is up 7% and also pays around a 3% dividend. Think about stuff like Waste Management. They pick up your garbage and the stock is up 7% and it pays a 1.47% dividend, so you're getting something. Or think about a company like Verizon that's up almost 6% and pays a massive 6% dividend. And yes, some of their products could be hit with tariffs, but it's kind of an essential product if you think about it. You're not going to cancel your cell phone provider just because the cost went up a little bit. You need this. Although, hey, some people might switch providers if they can get a better deal. The whole point of focusing on companies like these is to diversify your investment portfolio. Now, if you're an ETF guy and you have one S&P 500 and one tech ETF and one dividend ETF, well, you're probably going to have a lot of those in those ETFs. But if you are like me and you like to own individual stocks, well, maybe you consider some of these as a way to diversify and insulate your portfolio as we look at these next big wave of tariffs